Peace divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue. I miss my divine. I haven't seen you all in a while and I wanted to come on here. As you can see in the title, I am making a lovely juice. I'm getting back to doing more juicing and I wanted to make a quick juice with my divines. Today I am using 4 ingredients, making a simple juice. I wanted to use romaine lettuce, but I'm using a different one. I'll put the recipe as always in the description, and if you are new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more juicing and smoothie and vlog videos. And the first ingredient that I am using some carrots. I am also using a piece of ginger. I love ginger, but I don't want to use too much, okay? I'm also using some lovely green apples. I love green apples. I love all apples. There's so many apples. I want to learn all the different apples because there are a lot of apples, right? We are using some lettuce. Even though it's not romaine, we are going to still use the lettuce that I had today at home. We are going to go ahead and juice this lovely, colorful juice. As always, I'm using my Huron H320 juicer, and I will always have that information in the description as always. Alright, and so we have finished juicing. I think we have probably about, I don't know, maybe like 20 ounces. So I went ahead and I strained this lovely, lovely orangey juice. We have a small piece of ginger. We have carrots, right? And we had some lettuce. We have some green apple. Let's try it. Oh, this is good. And I don't think I had this combination before. Like with the green apple with the carrot. Yeah, I don't think I ever had this combination. It's so good. Oh my goodness. The ginger brings out the carrot so much, and the green apple just complements everything. And of course, you know, lettuce is very neutral and it gives hydration. So this is so good. Oh my goodness. Like, I would give this to children. Oh my God. You have to try this. Well, thank you as always, divines. I miss my divines so much. I know there's noise in the background. I hope y'all can hear me. Oh my goodness. I miss my divines. And as always, I want you all to be well. Be blessed. Be true to yourself. Peace, divines.